Now, kulena video funa sijonge iconcept ye domain ne range. Indoni domain, indoni range. Now, range xa sithetha nge-range sithetha nge-y values zethu igraph yethu izawuhamba kuzo. I-y values zethu igraph yethu izawuhamba kuzo. So sawuqala la graph u-f phayana. Graph yethu f. Okay. So masiqale sijonge i-domain yakhe. Domain ka-f. Now, i-domain the x values zethu sithe i-range is y values zethu igraph ihamba kuzo. I-domain is x values igraph yethu izawuhamba kuzo. Fine. So sabona uba ubheka ngapha uqala apha ku-0 ubheka ngapha all the negative numbers. La graph yethu ithini ibheka pha to infinity, so izibheka kwela cala. Okay. And also as ubheka ngapha ku-positive x values, also le parabola ibheka pha ku-infinity. So which means that le graph lena yethu uka f is defined for zonke i-values kabani zika-s ka-x. Ayikho i-value ka-x apha engazophuma kuyo le graph u-f because ibheka ngapha iyobheka ngapha ya. Fine. Okay, so i-domain yethu ngubani? Ku-x is an element of what? Of all real numbers. Okay, so that is ayikho i-number u-x igraph yethu apha ka i-number i-value ka-x engazofuna uphuma kuyo le graph yethu. Fine. Masijonge i-range of for the same graph. Sijonge i-range. Alright, for i-range yethu zi-y values zethu igraph yethu ephuma kuzo apho. So sabona uba ngumzekelo masithi ku-1 la value phayana. Okay, iqala ku-1 igraph yethu and then ibheke phi pha phezulu sijonge intoni i-y values zethu zale graph ka-f. Okay, fine. But for zonke values as lesser than u1, y values as lesser than 1, igraph yethu ayiphumi kuzo. Okay, so sithini i-range yethu nayo it's y is an element of all real numbers, but okay, fine. No. Say much. Okay, so since ngu-1 for all values is eqala ku-1 ubheka phezulu, so y equals is greater than or equals to 1. Alright, fine. Okay, because for zonke values eqala ku-1 ubheka phezulu igraph yethu is defined. Okay, now masijonge le graph yethu i-blue. Okay, sijonge igraph yethu i-blue. Okay, so for le graph yethu i-range yethu ithini? Okay, so sijonge y values zethu. Okay, fine. So sabona uba sine horizontal asymptote power -1, y equals -1. So which is ayizoyitatsha la line. Okay, and also for zonke values as lesser than la -1, igraph yethu ithini ayitatsha ayifiki nofika kuzo. So which means i-range yethu, if siqale nge-range apha kule function yethu u-g, so sijonge i-range yethu ka-g, i-range is y greater than 1 than -1. So for zonke values is greater than -1, la graph yethu ka-g is defined. But when y equals -1, la graph yethu ayitachi to lo point yethu, hence is an asymptote pattern. Fine. So i-domain, sijonge i-domain yethu, i-domain, so I hope ndicacisa kakuhle ezinto zoyithoke. Fine. I-domain yethu zi-x values zethu. So sabona uba le graph izobheka all the way down to infinity, and also which means zonke eza negative x values ithini ezazicoverage or ezawudlula ngazo. Okay, so to infinity. Nobheka ngapha igraph yethu iyanyuka all the way, so ubheka ithatha zonke eza x values ubheka ngapha. Okay, so which means i-domain yethu zonke intoni i-x values zethu. So x is an element of all real numbers. X is an element of real numbers. So sibheke ngapha quickly, so zamba quick ngapha because at least I think sisayifumana kancinci ngoku i-concept yethu apha. Okay, fine. Sijonge la hyperbola ngifuna siqale ngalo pha. La hyperbola sijonge intoni i-range yayo, okay, hyperbola yethu h of x. Okay, fine. So sijonge i-range yethu apha. I-range sithe zi y values. So siyabona uba le graph ithini ihamba iyanyuka pha positive to positive infinity, and then also apha ibheka down to negative infinity y values zethu, but ayitachi le line horizontal y equals 0. So which means that y i-range yethu is all the y values is all the real numbers, but ulanduka y is not equal to 0. So i-range yethu leya. Okay, yenza sense le zonke other values but u0 line yethu le graph yethu ayitachi. Fine. So sijonge i-domain yayo, so i-domain yale line. Okay, so i-domain yayo sibona uba okay, fine. Zonke x values ubheka ngapha le graph iyanqumla kuzo down to infinity, but ayizoyithatha la line loba x equals -1. So also i-domain ku-x is an element of all real numbers because zonke negative numbers usukela ngapha ubheka ngapha uyotsho all down to infinity, negative infinity, x values le graph yethu izawuphuma kuzo, but ayizofuna ukutouch line A1 or sorry point A1 or x equals sorry 1 or positive law x equals 1. So i-domain ne-range yala hyperbola yethu. Okay, quickly sijonge ke ngoku i-domain ne-range. So i-range ke ngoku yantoni yale parabola yethu. Okay, so i-range tells y value zethu masithi ngubani ngu-2 lo 1 phaya. Okay, so i-range yethu is going to be y equals lesser than or equal to U2, because for values that are greater than U2 le graph yethu is not defined, but zonke values qala ku2 ukwehla igraph yethu itheni iphuma kuzo zo values. So y is lesser than or equal to 2 because uqala ku2 ukwehla means uqala ku2 equal to 2 and lesser than 2, all the values lesser than 2 igraph yethu iphuma kuzo. Fine. And then i-domain yethu and then zonke values ka x ubheka ngapha qala ku 0 ubheka ngapha igraph yethu iphuma kuzo. Okay, because ubheka all the way down to positive infinity negative infinity values ka x, positive infinity ngapha igraph yethu yaphuma all the way. So ithatha zonke values ka x, so it's x element of all real numbers. Okay, and then I think sicacisile concept yethu kahle bayacaca.
It's amazing, so amazing, so amazing.